Hi friends, we are with the Nature Navigators and I'm really excited because I've got a welcome committee here for me and this is pretty fantastic. So, okay, I'm here.
Well, hi, welcome. This is Nature Navigators. We're just going to show you the room and show you what we do here.
Very cool, thank you. Oh, I've got a group. Oh my gosh, I love it.
This is where this is our safe space. We like to come down here mostly, this is our wall, and it's got mantras and things you want to feel, or you want to share when you're like, well, I don't feel so good. Mm-hmm. And we colored these photos, and that's about it.
Can I ask you a question about your safe space? Can I sit down?
Yes.
So what happens? Why would I come to the safe space?
If you're like mad, angry, maybe you're just feeling a little tired.
Yeah.
Or maybe you're sad because something didn't go the way you wanted to.
Right, and it's okay to have safe spaces, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and you guys, what do you do? What do you do when you sit in the safe space? How about you tell me, what do you do if you come to the safe space?
We have this little bag
Uh-huh.
that's full of little toys to help us calm down.
Super cool. So this is because sometimes we don't feel good about ourselves, right? And this is a good place to help do that, right? Mm-hmm. And your affirmation wall, this is so cool. This is super cool.
Look at that.
I love this.
Yourself.
This
You
is
are
fantastic.
loving this classroom.
And did you guys do these colors? Did you color these?
Yes.
Super awesome. Well, thank you. This would be a really comfortable spot. We've got nice blankets.
Now,
Yeah. Now what's next? Show me next.
Now we're coming over to our reading area. This is our reading group.
Awesome.
And then they're going to tell us what we read and what we have been doing. It's kind of they're going to tell us what we've been learning.
Awesome. I'm ready, friends.
So over the past, we've been learning ecosystems and how things depend on each other.
Oh my gosh. Because that means that you guys have to depend on each other too, don't you? Oh my goodness. What else?
Photosynthesis.
Tell me what photosynthesis is. Can you tell me that? Do you know? You don't have to remember everything. It's okay.
I forgot.
That's okay. Yes, we know what photosynthesis is.
I do. Photosynthesis is where a plant starts a seed, or a seedling, if that's what you want to call it, and then it will take the nutrients from the water that is in the soil, and it will grow roots, and then eventually it will sprout, and there will be food, either food or a flower.
Awesome.
Or some type of seed that's on the plant.
Super cool. What other things? Tell me some about the books that you guys read.
So we've been reading some of these animal books.
Uh-huh.
And how we learn these animals, and we've been learning about kindness and how we can be kind.
Yep.
And we've been reading this book. It's called Who You Were Made. The world needs who you were made to be.
Awesome. And then my favorite one in the back is When You Are Brave. Because you guys have to be brave all the time. Mm-hmm. Yes, right? Right. And what would you like to share with me today?
We also learned about carnivores, omnivores, and herbivores.
Tell me, are you a carnivore or are you a herbivore? Do you eat meat? You're an omnivore because you eat it all, right? My gosh, you guys are fantastic. This is awesome. Do you really like these couches?
Yeah.
I really like these couches. I would like to take a nap on these couches. You guys are fantastic. Way to go. I love it. High fives.
Did you want to share something over here too?
Or are we ready to move on to your next station? Come on, welcome committee. You guys are fantastic. I feel like I'm getting a tour guide.
This station is, they're going to tell us about field trips.
The best part of St. Mark, right? Okay, we're ready.
We went to Camp Burton. We learned lots of stuff. We did lots of stuff.
Did anyone get bit by any bugs?
One kid.
Yeah, I did too.
People got stung.
I got bit by some things.
One kid got bit by
So they got stung.
stung by 10 or 8.
And he's okay. We saw him last week. He's cool. Yeah, we got to check in on him last week. Okay, what? Oh, these are some great things.
We went to Mines of Spain, and we went kayaking and hiking, and we also went to Cinderella and watched it live.
Did you like it? Was it good? Super awesome. What's next?
We went to the art museum and we saw a lot of famous art by famous artists, and we learned a lot of things about them. We also made our own cities, but we couldn't have people in them. There are tons of them.
Oh, yeah. Super cool. Whoops. Don't cover people's face.
It's upside down, guys.
Oh, no, there's the sun. Is there the ground? Oh, it is upside down, right? That's okay. Oh, there's the Holiday Inn. There's the barber shop. Oh my gosh, you did a great job. I like the trees. I see cats in the trees. Good job. Awesome.
We're also going to go to Four Mountains tomorrow to do the ropes course.
How excited are you guys to do that? How many of you guys have done the ropes course at Four Mountains?
I'm going to want that for field trip.
Awesome. Super cool. The rest of you guys are going to enjoy it for the first time. Oops. And last but not least, are you going to tell us about any field trips? No, that's okay.
I said his line
Oh, you did say his line.
because he didn't want to say.
Okay, that's okay. You don't all. We're good with that. That's cool. This is all about choice here. Okay. Thank you, friends. Awesome jobs. High fives.
We're going over to the art room.
Oh my goodness. Fantastic. How are we doing over here, friends? Okay. So what are we going to talk about? Oh. This looks like a really fun day. Was this a really fun day? Yeah. We all got pictures. So will you tell me about this day, or is that what you're? I'm going to let you guys do what you're supposed to do.
So this day was when a river museum guest came in, and we got to see an owl and a peregrine falcon.
Oh, super cool.
And we got to see like their talons and stuff.
Aren't they? They're like. Feels like it could rip off your head, but it won't, right? Yeah.
Melissa says hi, Landon and Cam.
Okay. Who's next?
This is when you're making throwing girls.
Okay.
Basically, what you do is you grab it, throw it into the ground, and then you make wildflowers.
Super cool. I love it. I'm going to come over here. Okay.
So this is a terrarium, and you don't have to open it until 10 or 20 years.
Oh, what's growing in there?
Moss.
Awesome. There's a lot of good dirt and green in there, right? Super cool. Do you have what's going on in your picture?
We were holding a snake.
Oh, who liked holding the snakes? Oh, okay.
So I made a bowl to feed them,
I love it.
and to make it, we got a toilet paper roll and spread peanut butter on it, and then put seeds on it.
Super cool. And are you going to hang that outside your house? Yeah, super cool. This is really awesome, you guys.
You got a picture there too.
Yeah. Is that your picture of everybody with your bird feeders? Yeah. That's awesome. Oh my gosh. You guys are pretty fantastic. You guys have done a lot. It's only been 5 weeks and you've done so much. Okay, that's okay. So what's next, friends? I heard there's something next.
We're gonna perform a
Folk dance.
Oh my gosh.
that Miss
Okay, so can I like pull up a chair and watch? Okay. Okay.
Make good choices.
Okie dokie, sweet friends. Awesome. Okay. Give you guys the space you need.
You ready?
Yay! That was fantastic. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. So can I ask you guys to do one or two last things for me? Yeah. Can you wave to everyone and say thank you and goodbye?
Thank you. Bye-bye.
And then can you say thank you to your teachers?
Thank you.
You guys are awesome. That was fantastic. I haven't seen folk dancing in a really long time. That was awesome. You did great. Everybody did great. Good job. Okay, friends.